Hello guys, back with me again, Ari, and this time I'm going to do a review about this compact keyboard that in my opinion has the best layout. So this is the KC84. This keyboard comes with a competitive price for 95 USD and free shipping worldwide. It is also available in a variety of colors. I choose this particular colors because it matches my build, which is white and black and a hint of orange. And keep in mind that this particular color model has a DSA profile keycap, but the other KC84 does come with a cherry profile keycaps. This is a Hotswappable mechanical keyboard, which means that if you have your own favorite switches, you can pull all the switches out that comes with the keyboard and slap in your own switches without any soldering job needed. But this keyboard does come with Gateron mechanical switches that you can choose directly on their website. The keyboard will also function without the driver, but if you want to use other than the preset RGB or you want to do macro recording, then you need to install the driver. It is also compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, and it is also feature N key rollover so that each key press is correctly detected regardless of how many other keys are being pressed or held down at the same time. Okay, so let's now take a look on what will you get if you buy this keyboard. The box itself is quite sturdy, so I won't be worrying much about the keyboard being broken in the shipping process. In the box, you will get a quick instruction, a greeting card, the keyboard itself, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and the USB-C cable. The keyboard is nice and sturdy enough, although I can still feel some flimsiness if you try to bend the keyboard, but not much, so you don't have to worry about that. This keyboard does come with a stand, which is nice. It also has a cable channels to route your cable. But the thing is that the cutout is a little bit too small for some custom cable, so if you do have a custom cable, you might need to use the rubber stand to avoid wobbling while using your keyboard. But if you are using the cable that comes with it, then you don't have to worry about this. The RGB on this keyboard is pretty bright for those who wants to see how's the bling in this keyboard, and the keycaps are also nice. It is quite thick and it's made from PBT plastic, so it will last you for a very long time until it turns to shiny oily keycaps. Now this keyboard also has an aluminum plate for the extra sturdiness, and it also adds nice weight to the keyboard. The stabilizers is already pre-clipped and pre-looped actually, so it's quite decent. The problem is that it still wobbles. So I did put a little bit of tissue in the slot so it won't wobble. And I also re-looped them in order to achieve a little bit more consistency in every key press. And if you don't know how to mod your stabilizers, I did make a video before, so go ahead and check it out. In order to get rid of the wobbliness, you just have to take a piece of tissue paper, tear it to small pieces, roll it up, and just make it something like this. And then you just have to put it on the slot like this. And do it also for the other side. And then you just have to put back the stabilizers and you're done. It doesn't wobbles anymore. And now let's move to the sound testing. The first test is going to be the keyboard with its default setting, so it's all stock steps, stock switches. And the second test will be with modded stabilizers and also loop switches. Let's check it out. Well, there you have it, folks. In the beginning of the video, I did say that this is the best keyboard for me because it does have everything that I need. Like the F keys on the top, for me, who plays MMORPG that needs a lot of key binding, it really comes in handy. And also the arrow keys, it's fully functional. I know in the 60% keyboard, you could also do combination key to activate the arrow keys, but I don't think it's for me because I don't feel quite comfortable doing it all the time. And for 95 bucks, shipped to your door, this keyboard has a lot to offer for you. It's custom mechanical keyboard, it's Hotswappable, and it comes with the switches already and the keycaps already. So all you have to do is order it, and there you have it. And if you do want to swap the switches, you can do it also. With a little bit of modding, the stabilizers will be really good, and you just have to loop the switches, and this could be the perfect keyboard for you too. Okay, so that's that. Thank you for tuning in my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. And as always, I always welcome for any critiques you can write down in comment section. I will try to reply to every comment that you post. I hope this year will be better than the last year. Stay healthy, be safe, and see you in the next one.